Greetings everyone, this is Paul Richards of Elliott Wave Source, your number one source for Elliott Wave technical analysis. Today is Tuesday, June 18th, and I'd like to focus on three pairs this morning. Two pairs we followed closely last week, which was dollar franc and dollar CAD, and today we'll also cover pound dollar. The first pair up is dollar franc as seen here in the 4-hour time frame. We can recap a bit. As mentioned before, we completed a 5-wave impulse to the upside. Momentum shifted at 0.9837 and prices fell sharply afterwards. Momentum continued to fall towards the 0.92 area. Significance at this level was the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the previous upside swing of prices from 0.9020 to 0.9837. That target was realized within a 5-wave impulse down within an extended C wave. Last week we mentioned that our wave 5 completion was pending. Well, that wait is now over, as we believe our wave 5 has completed, and that level of completion was 0.9129. With that being said, we do hold a bullish sentiment moving forward. First target's placed at 0.9297, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci level. Will be interesting to see how this pair develops. Next up is dollar CAD. Price action continues to be a little choppy, providing a lot of head fakes. The one constant, though, is that prices consolidate around the 61.8% Fibonacci area of the previous upside swing from 1.0015 to 1.0420. As we continue to wait for a clear breakout, we do maintain a bullish sentiment. First target remains at 1.0323. Ultimately, we do expect prices to push towards the 1.0533 area, where we do anticipate trendline support at the moment. We will update this chart in detail as prices develop and patterns become more apparent. Bullish sentiment is intact. The last pair I'd like to touch on today is pound dollar. As seen here in the daily time frame, we are treading carefully with pound dollar at the moment as we are approaching an important level, the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of the last major downside move from 1.6341 in December 2012 to 1.4830 in March 2013. With that being said, we do hold a bearish sentiment as we do expect prices to reverse in the short term. Completion of our fourth wave remains to be seen as prices develop, but we'll keep you guys updated. Well, thank you for watching this video on dollar franc, dollar CAD, and pound dollar. Keep up to date with these pairs and many others at ElliottWaveSource.com. Feel free to contact us at info@ElliottWaveSource. To our members, you can chat with both Marcel and I in the chat room. And if you're not a member yet, please follow us on Twitter at eWaveSource. Safe trading this week and the next. Goodbye.